What's going on, everybody? It's KB from A to Z Power Washing. We have one last job. We have a rust removal at a funeral home. We're going to take you through, show you guys the product, show you guys the process, and we'll show you the result. Alrighty, we've arrived at McCabe Funeral Home. As you guys can see, there is plenty rust all around. We're going to do those two pillars, plus rust over there we'll show you. And then here's the main culprit. I'll show you guys the back side of this. Is very bad. As for the product, we are using F9 Barc. If you've been in the industry, you know F9 products are where it's at. So we're gonna go ahead and start with a 4:1 ratio just to test on that plastic and see if it affects it before doing the stone. Always start with a lower dilution, and you can always add more. You never want to go high and ruin something and then go low. Alright fellas, here's the other side. So it's a lot heavier than the other. I'm gonna go ahead and we're about 2:1 right now. Not sure if we're getting much use. It might be too cold, but I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, in the last step is just rinse everything off, get all your chemical off of things so you don't cause any discoloration. Sometimes you won't want to hit a certain material, such as aluminum. So what you could do is you'll just grab a towel, spray your bark on it, and wipe down. I'll pop some before pictures of these two panels right here before I wipe them down. And obviously here's the after. This is a bit stubborn. As well as for the rock, if you're dealing with stubborn stains, bristle brush, apply your F9, and just get to scrubbing.